The human body develops from a single cell called the zygote, which results from the fusion of ovum and the spermatozoa. A cell consists of a plasma membrane inside which are a number of organelles suspended in a watery fluid called cytosol. Organelles, literally, small organs, have individual and highly specialized functions, and are often enclosed in their own membrane within the cytosol. They include the nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes and the cytoskeleton. The plasma membrane consists of two layers of phospholipids with protein and sugar molecules embedded in them. Those that extend all the way through the membrane may provide channels that allow the passage of, for example, electrolytes and non-lipid soluble substances. The phospholipid molecules have a head, which is electrically charged and hydrophilic, and a tail which has no charge and is hydrophobic. Organelles nucleus. Every cell in the body has a nucleus, with the exception of mature erythrocytes. Skeletal muscle and some other cells contain several nuclei. The nucleus is the largest organelle and is contained within the nuclear envelope, a membrane similar to the plasma membrane but with tiny pores through which some substances can pass between it and the cytoplasm. The cell contents excluding the nucleus. The nucleus contains the body's genetic material, which directs all the metabolic activities of the cell. This consists of 46 chromosomes, which are made from deoxyribonucleic acid. Except during cell division, the chromosomes resemble a fine network of threads called chromatin. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are sausage-shaped structures in the cytoplasm, sometimes described as the powerhouse of the cell. They are involved in the aerobic respiration, the processes by which chemical energy is made available in the cell. This is in the form of ATP, which releases energy when the cell breaks it down. Synthesis of ATP is most efficient in the final stages of aerobic respiration, a process requiring oxygen. The most active cell types have the largest number of mitochondria, for example liver, muscle, spermatozoa. These are tiny granules composed of RNA and protein. They synthesize protein from amino acid, using RNA as template. When present in the free units or in small clusters in the cytoplasm, the ribosomes make proteins for use within the cell. These include the enzymes required for metabolism. Metabolic pathways consist of a series of steps, each driven by a specific enzyme. Ribosomes are also found on the outer surface of the nuclear envelope and rough endoplasmic reticulum, where they manufacture proteins for re-export from the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a series of interconnecting membranous canals in the cytoplasm. These are two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipids and steroid hormones, and is also associated with the detoxification of some drugs. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is studied with ribosomes. These are the site of synthesis of proteins that are exported from cells, that are enzymes and hormones that are extruded from the parent cell to be used by cells elsewhere. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus consists of stacks of closely folded flattened membranous sacs. It is present in all cells but is larger in those that synthesize and export proteins. The proteins move from the endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus, where they are packaged into membrane-bound vesicles called secretory granules. The vesicles are stored and, when needed, moved to the plasma membrane, through which the proteins are exported. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are one type of secretory vesicle formed by the Golgi apparatus. They contain a variety of enzymes involved in breaking down fragments of organelles and large molecules inside the cell into smaller particles that are either recycled or extruded from the cell as waste material.